antique store near Conway, Arkansas. I love this old household stuff. I absolutely love it. Like these old cans and old containers, and I just love this stuff. What the hell's wrong with me? It's definitely a pricey antique store, but they do have quite the selection. I'll show you the outside of it in a few minutes when I get through here.
No, and there could be one in. I hadn't paid attention to it. Not that I know of. You ever figure out?
$15 for a Mountain Dew bottle. Yeah. I like this Piggly Wiggly sign. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, what he calls
Piggly Wiggly.
Yeah, and everything set up, and a furnace, because it's going to require somebody to have a furnace to bring it up to heat and then down. Yeah, and then cool it for the right. And
I have a feeling these are all reproductions. Yeah, these are all got to be reproductions. Oh no, they got music blaring here. They're gonna demonetize my video. Oh well, that's life. Interesting. Oh, these are pinball machines. These are the tops of pinball machines. Interesting. I mean, I gotta give them credit for a great selection of stuff in here. Definitely interesting stuff to look at. I like these really old radios. These are like the early radios. I don't know, they're kind of ugly in a way, but I like them.
Oh, okay.
Weird. I guess somebody made a lamp out of these old projectors. I like these powder blue phones. That's interesting. And then this cool TV. Look at this. $6.95, dude. Please. Please. Oh God, I hate this song.
Yeah, a welder, he's probably just going to move. If he's in Little Rock then, he's moved to Church.
Look at this. 3,450. Now that's a cool piece. I admit that's a pretty cool piece to own, but 3,500 bucks. Get a grip. Get a grip. Don't see these very often, these vintage antique speakers from like 1910, something like that.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we sold one here.
With $20 for a freaking bottle. I mean, come on, guys. $20 for a bottle. They're worthless.
And you get to look and hold it just right there with a little crack. We'll give you money back. Blake took his fish camp just to cook out of and use because it's still, it won't leak. Right. And it's still great.
$800.
Yeah, it's not a crack. Yeah. And people that, giving, whatever, $80, $90 for it, he don't want to crack it. So, yeah, it's fine to use, but.
Alright, so this place is called Arkansas Peddlers Mall. That's a goofy looking motorcycle. Very cool place to browse. Definitely enjoy browsing here. Hi, how you doing? Good. Sure. Oh, I like that one. It's a nice menu board. Oh, I like this Mercury neon sign. I would totally take that. 3,000 bucks. You know, that's expensive, but I bet that cost $3,000 if you wanted to have one made. That's probably what it would cost you to have a neon sign made these days. Probably. Curious to see how the image stabilization works on this video, because I guess I didn't have it turned on for the last video. I don't like the menus. This is the Insta360 that I'm using, and the menus are like, there's way too much stuff to choose from, and you kind of have to swipe up and down to get to them. It's not the most intuitive thing. I mean, it's like everything else. Once you get the hang of it, I'm sure it's fine, but I don't find it to be the most intuitive thing. I mean, this is really, you know, it's really meant for its 360 field of view. You know, basically putting it on top of a car or something like that. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool bottle. That is massive. That's a cool display piece, though. Anyway, what I was saying about the Insta360 here. What is this? Is this a parking meter? What is this thing? I think it's a parking meter. Or it's a fare meter, like a cab or a bus. Interesting. Don't see that very often. This Insta360, it's really, you know, you really need to use it for its 360 field of view. That's really where it's at. So this camera is definitely going back. I may get the Insta360 Ace Pro, but this is definitely going back. I'm not seeing this being a huge upgrade over the GoPro that I have, but I'm definitely ready to upgrade. Leave a comment if you've had good luck with other action cameras that you like, because I just use it for walking around. You know, I use it not really as an action camera, more like what you would use a traditional camcorder for. Oh, I like this. It's not worth $2,000, but I definitely like that. That's pretty sweet. $50% off. Off what? Garbage? I don't see anything I want to own here in this booth. 50% off stuff you don't want to own. What a bargain. Got a little architectural salvage situation going on here. Interesting. Anyway, I think that is about the gist of it there.